Bruce sees all.
Guys, UFO, 4:30 in the morning. I'm gonna lean up to here. Look at it going up. Where is it? There it is. Try to keep it straight. Beautifully big. No more stars out. 4:35 a.m. and it's hovering almost like a star. Whoop, what's up next to it? Another one? Is that a star? The hell? Watch me run inside. I'm not going to cut anything. This is a raw video. You can hear the birds outside. You see the brightness. It's daytime. More UFOs interacting in the sky. It's going to leave that UFO site and come straight over my house. Fast. Gotta get the tripod. Come on, Bruce. Please, God, keep it there for 20 seconds. I'm almost ready. I'm going out now. Please. I do this every single morning. Come on. Get this on the rack, Bruce. There we go. We're set. It's still there. Now the UFO is starting to move fast, coming towards me, and you'll see it'll start moving really fast. Now I'll adjust the exposure. There's another one. There's some more, guys. They're coming right here to the house. Neighbors might even be out to see this. There's another one there. Coming right at me, guys. Right over my house. Any neighbors out? Of course not. Coming right over the house. There's another one going the other way. Right over the Big Dipper. Is it gonna flash for me there? Hey, this is this morning, guys. I'm gonna post it right away. Wow. Hello. Right over the house. Exactly over the house. There's more going by, guys. It's early morning and there's UFOs going by. Okay. Oh, it's getting orange. There's another one coming from the other way. They're over me. Oh, this is a message, guys. He's changing directions. This is scary. Come on. Okay. There's a lot of them. Right over me. They're flashing at each other. Okay, hold on. There's one there. Can you see it? Where's it? Hold on. Come on, Bruce. No, screw that one. I want you to see this one. It's right over me. It's hard to get it straight up, guys. I'm not going to cut any of this. There it is. Hold on. Where is it? Right over me. Oh my gosh, it's taking off fast, guys. Hold on. There it is. Look at it taking off. Holy shit, guys. Check it out. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by this morning. 4:40. Now look at them all. There's more UFOs going by. Gonna disappear for us or get bigger, flash, say hello, hear the birds out. That's just great. It's on its way anymore. Guess where it came up, guys? Yep, UFO site. I gotta go. 4:40 now. Sun's coming up over there. I see the orange. Early morning UFO. There's another one. Nope, sorry guys, that was a star. And he's on his way. He's about to disappear. Oh, what's this now? Jesus, actually 4 in the morning. I hear a plane. Maybe a small plane. And of course the battery runs out. Any more UFO? Paul Sabo, Pat Yassar, Darla Lama, Ruth Kelly, everyone who contributed, gifting out the memberships, and every way you have, Kristen Kruger, Michelle Preston. Thank you so much for the generous contributions, everyone. Aliens on the moon. When are they going to tell the world? Come on, Pentagon. Aliens on the moon. Aliens on the moon. Thank you very much for the support to this channel. Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions and thanks for watching the videos.
Aliens up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are landing on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.